Hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Tej Academy. Here is a big update for all NCET attended candidates. NTA has released the provisional answer keys along with their question paper and also a response sheet for answer key challenges. Along with that, NTA also has given some facts related to NCET exam. You can see on my screen the total number of students attended this year 54,470. Candidates have attended the NCET exam in all platforms, that is BSc, B.Ed, BA, B.Ed as well as BCom, B.Ed. So you can also see clearly it is stating recorded response sheets are available in the NTA website, and candidates are advised to go for key challenge if they feel the provisional answer key is not appropriate. So for that, NTA has given the deadline up to 22nd May. That is 2 days, another 2 days, 22nd May. Up to 11 p.m. a candidate can apply for the challenge, and also the payment for the challenge can be done up to 11:50 p.m. For each question, NTA has given 200 rupees payment for challenging, which is a non-refundable fee. So which is a non-refundable processing fee. Hence, I suggest all the NCET attended candidates, please go through the key given by NTA, check your response sheets, discuss with the experts before filing the key challenge. Thank you all. Stay tuned with Tej Academy for more updates without much lag. Thank you.